Imagine this for a moment. You wake up to soft morning light spilling through panoramic windows. The mountains are outside your door. Your family is still asleep in the cozy rear bedroom. And you suddenly realize this isn't a huge motorhome. It's a compact, efficient, easy-to-drive small luxury motorhome that somehow feels much bigger than it really is. That's the magic of the Carado T338S, a motorhome designed to sleep up to 5 people, offer the comfort of a full-size RV, and still drive like a modern family van. Today, we're diving into this beautiful motorhome to see what makes it one of the best small luxury travel homes in 2026. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's explore the Carado T338S, where smart design meets big feeling space. Let's begin on the outside. At first glance, the Carado T338S doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly what makes it special. It has that clean, modern, European look, with sharp LED daytime running lights, smooth body lines, and compact profile that instantly feels approachable on the road. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato chassis, the T338S offers the perfect balance between strength, fuel efficiency, and quiet cruising. And because the body length is a bit shorter compared to full-size motorhomes, you get something extremely valuable: confidence. You can drive this nearly anywhere: tight city streets, narrow camping trails, small gas stations. Nothing feels intimidating. You'll also notice the large storage compartments along the sides. These aren't your typical small camper cupboards. They are deep, wide, and shaped to fit camping chairs, outdoor tables, toolkits, and even bicycles. For a motorhome of this size, the external storage is surprisingly generous. And then at the rear, you get a large garage-style storage space that is heated, illuminated, and designed for families traveling with lots of gear. Whether it's sports equipment, luggage, or adventure toys, the T338S has room for it all. Now let's step inside, because this is where Carado really surprises you. The moment you enter, you're greeted with bright, airy space. Not cramped, not dark, just open, warm, and inviting. This small motorhome genuinely feels big, thanks to clever layout engineering. The interior styling is clean and modern. Light-colored wood, soft upholstery tones, smooth cabinet lines, and bright LED lighting create a relaxing environment that feels like a modern studio apartment rather than a compact RV. Even the floor space is planned thoughtfully. There are no awkward bumps, no wasted corners. Everything flows naturally. The front living area is one of the highlights. A spacious dinette sits opposite a long-side bench, and both driver and passenger seats can swivel around to join the lounge area, instantly creating a full living room setup. That means 5 people can sit comfortably in a social, open-feeling space. Whether you're having breakfast, working on a laptop, playing cards, or just relaxing after a long day of driving, this lounge makes a motorhome feel twice its size. The table is adjustable. The overhead storage is deep and sturdy, and the large windows bring in a ton of natural light. Even when you're spending time inside, the space never feels tight or closed off. Moving to the kitchen, this is where small motorhomes usually cut corners. But the T338S doesn't. You get a proper, fully equipped kitchen with a 3-burner gas stove, a deep stainless steel sink, a countertop extension that makes meal prep easy, soft close drawers, and plenty of overhead cabinets. And best of all, there's a large fridge freezer that's perfect for long trips or full-time travel. Everything here feels sturdy and long-lasting, like it's built for years of road trips and daily use. Now, the real highlight, the sleeping areas. This compact motorhome can sleep up to 5 people comfortably, and it doesn't feel crowded at all. At the back, you get 2 long twin beds. But with a central infill piece, they transform into one massive king-size bed that feels like a real bedroom. You get soft mattresses, privacy curtains, LED reading lights, and USB charging ports. Everything you'd expect in a proper sleeping space. Then, depending on your configuration, you can add a drop-down bed above the lounge area. It's perfect for a 3rd adult or 2 children. And of course, the dinette itself converts into another sleeping space for guests or kids. For a small motorhome, that's an impressive amount of flexibility. And the best part is that each area feels like its own little zone instead of a squeezed-in afterthought. Now let's talk about the bathroom, because this is one of the most surprisingly premium parts of the T338S. You get a bright, well-ventilated bathroom with a rotating partition wall, or a separate shower depending on the layout. The shower enclosure is proper, not just a wet room. There's good drainage, good headroom, usable counter space, and storage for toiletries. Even taller people can shower comfortably here. Most small motorhome bathrooms feel like phone booths, but this one feels modern, comfortable, and genuinely usable for everyday living. Storage is another area where Carado always shines. You'll find deep overhead cabinets, underbed storage, floor compartments, wardrobe closets, and that huge rear garage. Everything is placed exactly where you need it, making it easy to stay organized even during long journeys. It's one of those motorhomes that stays tidy because the layout makes sense. And of course, we can't forget about driving. With a Fiat Ducato platform, the T338S gives you smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, quiet engine refinement, great visibility, supportive driver seats, and modern safety systems. It drives like a confident family van rather than a bulky RV long-distance trips, feel relaxing instead of tiring, and city driving is straightforward thanks to the compact length and excellent turning radius. So what makes the Carado T338S truly unique? It's the perfect combination of comfort and practicality. It sleeps up to 5 without feeling cramped. It feels much bigger inside than it looks outside. It gives you a full lounge, a real kitchen, a genuine bathroom, and a flexible bedroom setup. You get huge storage space, an easy-to-drive body size, and a layout that makes everyday travel feel effortless. It's one of those motorhomes that works for families, couples, solo travelers, anyone who wants maximum comfort in minimum space. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more reviews like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing motorhome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.